Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Huel shake. First, gather your Huel powder, fresh water, and a clean shaker bottle. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. Make sure your shaker is completely clean from any previous use. This ensures the best taste and hygiene for your shake. We'll start by adding the powder, then the water, and finally, shaking it all up. Now, let's add the Huel powder. Take your Huel scoop and add 2 level scoops of powder directly into your shaker bottle. It's important to use level scoops to ensure you're getting the correct nutritional value. Gently tap the scoop to remove any excess powder. Be careful not to spill any powder outside the shaker, keeping your workspace tidy. Next, pour 500 milliliters of cold water into the shaker on top of the Huel powder. Cold water often helps achieve a smoother consistency. Once the water is in, securely fasten the lid onto your shaker bottle. Now, shake vigorously for at least 10 seconds. This ensures that all the powder is fully dissolved, preventing any lumps and creating a perfectly smooth shake. Your Huel shake is now ready to enjoy. You can drink it immediately for a quick and nutritious meal. If you have any left over, simply refrigerate it and consume it within 24 hours. Remember to clean your shaker bottle thoroughly after each use to maintain hygiene. Feel free to experiment with different Huel flavors to find your favorite combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.